we are here. Name you no bi o ho a wo hwere. Ning na baba back after so ho ato no a be established na so no man no pay. And what dan chen ya but bodani so ye DBS roofing na make am for the amount. And no pay make am for chira so dia. Say concrete ni still works in na no. Omo de omagim. He say dan kasa kwa na omo age so mesi amount. Say omo ba so omo bodan so no. Amount for joma tuma chira say yes omo duma so ni. They say dan ni na ho sini ye di amanwa. E ho masem bia dachi bia. DBS roofing na make am for. Ade atsewe na anopay. My MTN app on so na say we MTN user. Esa we bibia na ohoto. We bibia na we lase. Obi besi patriote. Kwa last 10 calls awaye or call logs so na hwade. MTN numbers na do so pa. O dey check. Obaka say bia say check MTN numbers na do so pa. Na che say MTN no aye kama. Na che say MTN pa. Eti na nipa bebre na you should just contact ni mo. MTN numbers do so chain numbers bia. E che say yes, join the winning team. Join aye team wa. Ubia ajetum say eye papa. Yes, MTN everywhere you go. And makoi ediesia konkon and yede and samna de bro live on Adom 106.3 FM. Yeah, live on Facebook. Adom 106.3. Adom 106.3. Eti channel so sa FM me. Na join ye so njano na bibia timi koye and na no pay eti eno wasam no channel so. Esa immortal ajakwa champon Alex Kwabena Stone. Right time and you're a fail. James or any Bama Kion or more me producers and pay or coming one. But it's someone right there, bro. Kegyiwa and Kasani, Eric Asiedu Boadi. Observe, Shannon Somame say, and the UEFA Champions League is back. And Manchester Hodra Koso Nyasem Keto Accra. Find out and the Celtic at the Bonia and Nyasem Keto Accra in Group E. Sanson and Lazio and Atletico Madrid at the Boni. And that Imuta Haman for Bediska. Man for Bediska. Now, AC Milan and Newcastle, they play so Newcastle for a make one more debut and return to the Champions League. Which I must say yes. Oma Brim papa no wabedu enti kwambia so no ye hwese ne eye sa match no ebesi akọ se on betimi akombine league na omo bono na omo de aka eye Champions League na nei adu eso mo de bone ho amre ne krabia ene be kire o ma nya obia ne na mo ese team a wono abobra e Champions League ni mo AC Milan and on at the Premier and you may be patros how much and passo at 4:45 and as how much passo Shannon AC Milan Newcastle Paris Saint-Germain and the Borussia Dortmund at the Premier yes more matches how much bede Paris Saint-Germain Borussia Dortmund now near Copium Young Boys and in Leipzig at the Premier now Manchester City the defending champions on the Red Star Belgrade and the appeals now. Pep Guardiola, coach, the man defending champions, Manchester City. No, then some to just say, Afibia almost try some winning. Even a brand new winning, a crowd try. The officials on my son try. Since Champions League, won't be my rough, won't be my mistakes. If you only was near you from Tene against Resta, I'm going to take chances. I'm going to go home. I'm going to be break and Resta for pa.
Every season we start the competition in the first game. Always the target is win the first one, qualify for the group stage for the last 16 and try to win the Champions League. Nothing changed for before when we didn't win it on this season that we won it last season. So nothing changed. It depends on our performance and our level will happen. So we have to, of course, we are incredibly happy to defend this crown, but this competition don't allow you much mistakes. That's always the first step, and hopefully we can convince the players seriously and try to get the first 3 points.
When Pep Guardiola and somebody to just on Metronoma AJ first 3 points on what was started in Samatuga as a Champions League, you know. Club on the Germany so much and so moment you be that. But also Champions League mu ye pank one no my German. Some City will Champions. I'm on 10. I'm on 14 now. 75 now there. Why the one? Dabi. If you there, but Upia Bontia on Shedan to me find a gaga biasa.
For our club to win the Champions League is something incredible. But in perspective for the Champions League, how many teams won one Champions League? Just one. A lot. But there is a lot won 2, a lot won 3, a lot won 4, a lot won 5. There's one team won a lot. So in perspective of the Champions League, we didn't do anything special. It just won. So, but for us, of course, so the club didn't have it and be part of that is incredible. Proud of.
Way and someone Pep Guardiola coach the Manchester City. wɔde ɛto atwa ɛyɛ Champions League ɛnanyɛmɛ live commentary yɛde bɛprɛ ɔkasɛm so sa ɛfama na yɛmfi ɔ na yɛnkɔpie mu wɔ ɛnsɛm foforɔ mu a ne yɛba fie abɛhwɛ de yɛkɔ so wɔ ɛyɛ efie na the 2023 Africa Games ne nka fii na ɛsɛ ba soɔ nanso panifoɔ hwɛ ho siesie no na nhyɛ da nkɔ yɛ papa biasa ɛti wɔn a wɔhwɛ Africa nyinaa games ne so wɔn committee ne sɛ dabi ade no ɛsɛ yɛtwe ne de kɔ no sɛ Ghana stadium ahodoɔ ne ade ne yɛbɛhwɛ yɛ no na nneɛma nhyɛ da nsisi so yie papa ɛti yɛtu de ahyɛ da next year ɛne yɛhwɛ ɛsɛ March 2024 ɛbɛtumi aba so na Isaac Ofosu Asare ɛyɛ local organizing committee no chairman na ɔne nsɛm ato dwa sɛ sɛsɛ deɛ ɔmo gu so na yɛ anadeɛ ɛboa mo paa ne sɛ ɛyɛ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛne Ghanafoɔ de ɔma no bɛto ɔmo adwuma ne mu na ɔmo aka akyerɛ wɔn adwen ɛsɛ sei na nkɔ anaasɛ sei na nkɔ ɛyɛ mo nka ma no yɛ constructive ɛnyɛ deɛ yɛ mpo twa ɛne adeɛ ɛbɛyɛ ba mubuo dabi.
It's the person who criticize you, and I hate to be placated or flattered all the time. So what happened in the past, we are holding anything against anybody now. And going forward, if you find anything that you think is worth being criticized constructively, please feel free to do that.
Professor, sorry, name some of the two say constructive criticism. Yeah, it can only say yes. Now, you can the local organizing committee of the Africa Games in Wasamono. Nana and I did able to say Banyai. The Ghana Football Association elections now. I appeal so. The appeals committee. One more time, alright, George, a 3 year Samonosono. Alpha George, a 3 year papers not 12 on the book. Banyai. Said George in Yasem. George and Fana Samon Keno. One to me and Philip Fonsoa. Well, last time I did that way. Abdul Salam Yakubu, a campaign manager, the man, George Free.
Well, as Monica Tabaco, you if you're my bone, come on, watch it. Meaning, send it. And what 10 o'clock on the bed in the Baba. Or Mabazo, Georgia was free. Meaning, the Macano baby, the Macano baby, come watch it. You need winning. You need send it and the Monday. You're told like a crabby, you want to send it. The beer cost to get you. There's no way any yet, man. There's no way we yet. Jim Affair. What was the marketing to Huawei another day? What was the serious enemies another day? What am I got here, GFO? You bet GFO, my baby, you.
Jeff and Betty, you know,
I bet my you, Kevin, GFO, I bet my you, Ghana. You bet my Abba, Papa, you bet my GFO, Papa. No, where is that? What am I football? No, you're very bad. I need to know what the answer. It's bad.
Jama audio home tene kasa.
Never see a GFO. Never see a GFO radio football. Oh, football.
Jama audio home tene kasa.
Everybody at home take us every day. This is I don't mean you don't kiss us a Ghana football.
Wayne sama campaign manager de man Georgia kwasi afie re 220 enra me patron nanu da obeka ya kaya ho a na ye trotro din wo mo endorse papers am yakoto abade ama president foi Georgia fie ba ko be pie mu na nsese wono na sign de ma no but ora George so be kire mu de ntia nipa ko no sign ye ne ade afi okwa apiri for atam papers na to agu ba bi se me patron ya disqualify no still ya no ba bi ya disqualify no ehwa en wo mu ejina Abdusalam na nensam to adjusted Uti Sports Page 1 live on Adom 106.3 FM. Kegyiwa na Gasanie Eric Asiedu Boadi Yankwa Club Shutakra Yakometema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Wamu akache mpacho tieni yepa Kotoko first game Omo train draw Baba Yara Sports Stadium. New players now endorsed an entirely new team Wanesa and a kwambia no korokofo hye na wo de boy yes season yo mo draw mo boy anytime for we na kire mo adwen draw ne ho ne ade head coach Mama Tema Dr. Prosper Nete Okum won nsem aka tu dwa se ade ba ko na niji team yi ho ene se team no competition wom competition wom etu wo ane mo ho we kire se na wo pese we pese bo we pese boa ema competition ne yes na performance na ekosoro ene na ji team yi ho pa.
And it's all about the tactical approach of the opponent we are going to meet in our next game. So your training, your level of performance at training, and then how the opponent is going to play. If we think that how the opponent is going to play, he fits in there, we'll let him play. And apart from that, everybody would have to fight for position. If you look at the players we have and the substitutions we did, it was like for like. And when they came, they didn't drop the tempo. They kept the tempo and even increased it. So it tells you that everybody would have to fight for a position in the team.
Prosper Nete Ogum. As I said, yeah, one fight for position here. Was so bad, no. Yusuf Nuruddin, a man of the match. Yusuf Nuruddin last season, no ball to you. And one back or talk watches that one what pan was static game no. As a man of the match, Nuruddin that ayo Ogumasio was a share. Now what but team for na sina coach ma Vim and Vogo. Emma start here, Jaja, feed and ya grown and ya man of Vim so starting.
I would like to say Alhamdulillah for this wonderful opportunity and then this big platform. I really appreciate the fact that the professor have brought me here. That is our coach to exhibit what's the little that I have. Inshallah, we don't have anything, but we have to leave the trophy. So that is just what we are looking up to. Yeah.
And someone Fatal Salifu area to as a trophy no and now person win trophy no and when you was it and some society. All right, yeah, can say no and young community crowds of folk one young koso or as a folk for woman so I catch coach and Martin Koopman one in some to just first match a book one has mama babu has fast mama babu crack Jumadia when you say a be what team no Adwadia wajitum said you team no but wabombe budia no it's a phobia never say don't trade the bones are rotten.
So then you said okay for 1 point we signed for it, but if you see this I think all over the game it was okay for me. So let's go for the next game and we must make steps forward. We must work very hard with this young team, but I have confidence, so nice for them, not nice for us.
Nice for them, not nice for us. Rainy and Samoa. Coach Koopman, one of the coach Pani Padma, Accra House of Folk, or to Gasa or Vim and Vogo in a young team. Sadwa Brady, Edebebo, a season. Anima, Yababa, Unimself Champions League night. It is a good night to yeah. Empty everywhere you go, empty up on Oko App Store, Play Store, download. Send the Momo opinion points and Disika. Who send this canal to Pusika? Penny be quiet fact. BX tablets, why arena hot tower, and so you should name any Drubia over Riano was a back and with Vim and Vogo. DBS Industries Limited, make unfortunate, say, Boadi and your money is our soul. Robotan is DBS Industries Limited on my 20-year warranty against fading. Fading, green, blue, white, the second party. And that's some get one. DBS fucking want to pay. Yet in some at the April. Alice Cropping Stone, Ratam, and you're a fairly Montalaja Champon. James on the Macion, Professor Wallace. Me producers and pay. I'm coming one. It is some idea, proud or no. Kaisa would didn't Kasaba Kegyiwa. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Page 1 and Wessi was what you just on.